Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. Today we will be doing a quick tutorial in Silhouette Studio. We'll be showing you how to use the Lasso tool. You will need to have a Designer Edition or higher to have this function. My program is at a 4.3, but I did have this at 4.2 as well. So as you can see on the screen, I have a large grouping of stars. And typically, if you wanted a certain group moved or a different color, you would have to either click on each one or drag the mouse over them to get that grouping. With the Lasso tool, you can just click on this rope here at the top left, and you can just drag that around the grouping that you want. And any ones that are in that group or touched will be in the lasso. Now you can also hold the shift button and go around, and anyone that's touched but was not in that circle because you were holding down the shift button will not go in the circle. Now just to reiterate one more time, if you go around not holding the shift button and any of the items are touching, those ones will come up. And if you hold the shift button and you go around in a circle or a square, whatever the shape is, but something gets touched, only the ones that are in that side of that circle will actually get selected. And this is just a quick and easy way for you to grab items without having to shift through each one. Alright guys, I hope that helped you. If you have any questions about the Lasso tool, make sure to leave a comment down below. If you have suggestions for other videos I should be making, leave a comment about that as well. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Share it if you want to. That always helps me out. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Now you'll notice down below on the screen, over by the description box, some merchandise that you can now buy. That is the Crafty Little Mama logo, and she's just looking like every crafty mom. She's got her messy hair bun, her glitter and paint splatter all over, and her handy glue gun in hand. Any purchases from that merch department do go right back into the channel so that I can do more tutorials for you. Alright guys, until next time, happy crafting! Alright guys, I just wanted to bring you really quick over to the merch page, and we have phone cases, t-shirts, leggings, stickers, and hoodies, and there are different colors that you can choose from as well. And again, this just goes right back into the channel so that I can do other epoxy tutorials, t-shirt tutorials, the other more expensive tutorials that you guys like to watch. Alright guys, thanks for watching.